how to fix your SMARTY mobile data not working. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply like program device APN to mob.asm.net, and you can leave the username and password blank, right? So after doing that, here you'll be able to check APN configuration, and now you can simply check active plan status. Log into your smarty.co.uk from this application. Simply log into your account in order to ensure your monthly plan renewal was successfully charged. So after making sure that, you can now simply like try to toggle on and off your airplane mobile in order to see if it's a network issue. So for that, scroll down through your control panel, tap on the airplane icon, wait for about 10 seconds and tap on it again and turn it off, and I'm pretty sure that you'll actually be able to restart your network connection, and like that I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix your SMARTY mobile device not working. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.